I'm here by Union Station, and we have the vintage trolley waiting to turn from 6th Avenue onto Irving right there. It can't because there is another train right in front of it. And I'm guessing that there might be a yellow line train, a third train ahead of this. I don't know if you'll see it or not, but waiting to get on the bridge. I don't see it down there, but I know I've seen one waiting up there. There's one back here. Also, this train here is basically blocking the little intersection here, blocking people from getting in and out of the little parking lot adjacent to the Union Station annex. So, besides the crosswalk right there. Oh, it's going backwards. I don't know why it's going backwards, because the trolley was back there, but I guess the operator switched cabs, because this one right here looks empty, so maybe I'll be able to block it when they come back. As I said, it's backed up, so it's I don't know if people can get through there or not, but I can't go around the corner because the vintage trolley is there. So I don't even see where the operator is in there either. So we're gonna down that way. So I don't know what is the story. Okay, now I see the operator in there at the front. On the radio, probably trying to get a clearance to go. So she's pulled back from the intersection, the little driveway here in the Union Station, but she's still kind of blocking the crosswalk. Oh man, there she goes. I don't know if she has missed her signal here, though I do see it says it's red. I don't know if you can see that, so maybe she had to get clearance to bypass it. And should we want to do that, there is a switch right over there, so it's not just a nicety for preempting traffic. There is a serious reason to have a signal. And then here comes a vintage trolley. I guess he's trying to get the signal up there. So it's not wanting to go for him either. Sounds like it has a generator or something under there. Or if that's the bus on the other side. No, it does sound like it has a generator or something under there, because the bus is now going. Up at 33 there, the sign is off, but it's... Yeah, it sounds like people are getting right on that 33, so I'm wondering if he missed his layover there. I know they usually sit there for a while, but that bus is going right away, so it could be really late. Oh, now the signal has finally changed to a yellow, so, oh, and there it goes. So, I don't know what was earlier, but it finally went. See if he goes, could go back around. Nope, he's out of here. He is heading back to the barn. So I guess vintage trolley service for another Sunday is over. I don't know. There's a bus is still there. I don't know if it's waiting now for the train in front of it. No,